Hi guys,
Welcome to Hobie's Nature Club.
and now we're just finding some of those and those.
Oh, what are those and those called?
I don't know.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
We're going to find some things around the garden, aren't we?
Yeah.
And we're going to make a nice little picture. Now, what we've got here is Hobie's old school shirt that he doesn't need anymore. That we just cut up this morning because it's too small and it's got pen all over it, hasn't it?
Yeah.
We've drawn on it. So today we're going to use this as our canvas, and we're just going to go round the garden and find some things that will make a pretty picture. What things do you think will make a pretty picture?
Some leaves and some red leaves and some green leaves.
Okay, so different colours are good to find because then that makes our picture a little bit more varied, doesn't it? And what about shapes? Should we try and find some things with different shapes?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So let's have a look. What do you think you can find? You want one of those red leaves?
Yeah.
So it's a good idea to pick things that you've got lots of rather than a few of, because you don't want to wipe out the plant or flower in your garden. What about these nice yellow ones? Do you think they'd look pretty?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, do you want to pick one of those? Try and get the whole flower. Oh, well done. That was good. Well done. It's quite a big one, isn't it? We might need a bigger bit of cloth for yours, I think. Yeah? What else would you like to put in it? Another leaf, a different shaped leaf.
Yeah.
And
One of those.
maybe one more. Yeah, okay.
Don't
Don't get stabbed by the rose bush. Okay, that's probably enough. So what we're going to do now, Hobie's going to make his little picture on the board, aren't you, with your
Yeah,
leaves?
I did some of it.
Yeah, you started already, haven't you? So you're going
Yeah.
to put the other leaves down. It doesn't matter what way up. That's good. It's got to be this. Hobie's got a big bit, and I've got a little tiny bit.
Yeah.
So what about that leaf in there?
Yeah.
Is that all of them?
No, one more.
Where are you going to put your pretty yellow flower? Should we put your pink? Should we put a pink flower in too?
Yeah.
Okay, put your pink. Where are you going to put your yellow flower?
Yeah.
We've got to make sure it's big enough. Okay, so maybe put it in here. Put them a bit closer together. That's it. Okay. Right. So now what we're going to do? We've got a nice hard board which you can find either just a random bit of wood or a chopping board if you've got a spare chopping board that you don't mind using from the kitchen. And we're going to lay the cloth on top, and all Hobie's going to do without whacking my fingers is hit the flowers. Got to keep going, keep going, keep going. All the way. No. Stay on it. Stay on that flower now. You're on that one. Get all of that through. So when we're doing this, we've got to keep on going with the set out that we've got. Otherwise, if you lift it, you won't be able to put it back in the same place. So you've got to keep going until you've got all of your leaves that you know you've put in. So this is the rose one, I think, Hope, isn't it?
Yeah.
See here, it's the pointy one. I just mind my fingers, yeah? Oh, that's a pretty colour, isn't it? Do the rest of this one, so you haven't finished. You've got to go right down to here. Hobie has bashed it for quite a long time. You've got to try and get all of the shapes of the leaves and keep going until you can see the liquid coming through on the side that you're hitting it on. So Hobie, do you want to lift it up?
Okay.
So they will be stuck to it, so you will need to take them off. Take them off.
Well, that looks cool.
That's cool, isn't it?
Oh.
That's a bit mushed, isn't it?
Yeah, that's a bit mushed.
And that leaf's cool, isn't it?
Exactly.
So you can see the different colours all coming through.
I want to do another one.
There we go. So, you want to do another one?
Yeah.
That's cool. So you hold it up and show everyone. And this would be a brilliant idea for a Mother's Day present. And you could make a little frame, which we'll show you how to do in another episode of
Hobie's Nature Club.
So remember to have fun in nature, but remember to nurture. Bye!